区分所有オフィスの Vortex。
Shibuya is a town bustling with young people. However, a 10-minute walk from Shibuya Station brings you to a spot with a more mature atmosphere detached from the noisiness of Center-Gai. Have you ever heard of an area called OkuShibuya, commonly known as OkuShibu? This quiet area is a far cry from the hustle and bustle of the area in front of the station. It's an area with a sophisticated atmosphere, yet filled with an attractive sentiment. This time, we will introduce you to OkuShibu and its surrounding area, where the Vort series office buildings, branded by Vortex, Vort Shibuya Shoto residence, and Vort Shibuya Shinsen are located. Unlike the loud and streetwise atmosphere of Shibuya and Harajuku, OkuShibu is characterized by a quiet and relaxed atmosphere. Celebrities have made their homes here. There are some stores where they go incognito. Let's take a look at the streets. Kamiyama-cho, located in OkuShibu, once had a Showa-era atmosphere where modest shops lined the streets. However, it has become a cultural hotspot with stylish cafes, galleries, and miscellaneous goods stores dominating the latest trends. The decisive change that brought about Kamiyama-cho's transformation occurred in 1973, when NHK Broadcasting Center moved across Inokashira Avenue. Since then, companies related to television program production, including production companies, studios, art departments, props, CG, and titles have gathered in this area, giving it the face of a creative village. With NHK's relocation, the people coming and going from Kamiyama Street also changed. Before that, only residents walked along the street. But with the increased presence of NHK staff and people from the television industry, the area rapidly developed. Nowadays, creative companies such as IT firms and apparel design companies are also scattered throughout the area. As a result, there has been a demand for lunch options, and gradually, restaurants have been increasing serving set meals and soba noodles, creating a fiercely competitive lunch district. Uoriki is also one of the famous restaurants in this area. It was a fish merchant 20 years ago, but now it's a popular restaurant welcoming customers, including NHK employees and young people who have heard about it. You can enjoy a hearty grilled fish set meal and other reasonably priced dishes. It was the idea of the female owner who said, "Since we have plenty of fish, I'm sure our customers will be happy if we serve them with rice and miso soup."
サバ味噌はその1本のサバを真ん中で切って頭側と尻尾側で髪と霜って分けてるんで、まあどちらが美味しいですかって聞かれても同じ味付けだから、あとはもう脂が乗って身質が柔らかい方が髪、脂のりは少ないけども、身がしっかりしててサバの本来の味が楽しめるんだったら霜っていう風に分けて、それで好きな方を選んでっていう風に、それが一番の看板メニューかな。コロナ前は結構来てたんですよね。その時はなんとか普通にやったんですけど、緩和されてから急に外国人のお客さんが増えてきて、なんで知ってんのって聞いたら、渋谷駅の方で配ってるなんか外国人向けのガイドに出てたりとか、あとはそこそこ友達に聞いて来たんだとか、僕の友達が日本に来て食べてきて国に帰ってきて、今度僕が行くんだっつったら、じゃあここいいから行きなよっていうふうに言われてきたって人もいるし、いい意味でそういうふうに広がって宣伝になってんだったら、それは本当にいいことなのかなと思いますね。
面のその売り場は生かしつつ、でそばっていうのはその昔うちの母の実家が宇都宮なんですよ。でそこに子供の頃遊びに行くんで、立ち寄った立ち食いそばが美味しくて、でまあちょっとコンビニやってる時に母と話した時に、コンビニじゃなかったら何をやろうかっていうところで、立ち食いそばいいんじゃないっていうのが美味しかったし、っていうところからやり始めたみたいな。コンビニ時代なんかからもずっと、酒屋からかな、もううちはもう常連さんがほとんどなんで、よくしていただいて、IT 関係の方とかコンビニ時代からも来てくださるお客様が大勢来ていただいて助かってます。
While the downtown atmosphere remains, Kamiyama-cho and neighboring Shoto are also upscale residential areas. When you turn from Kamiyama Street to the direction of Yamate Street, the face of Kamiyama-cho as a quiet residential area appears. There you can see the Mongolian and New Zealand embassies and large mansions where celebrities and politicians live. In addition, the location is popular for its convenience, as it is close to the Shibuya ward office and has easy access to the Metropolitan Expressway. Yoyogi Park is also nearby, and there are several places where families can enjoy themselves together. For example, there are areas such as Nabeshima Shoto Park and Shoto Museum of Art, where you can spend time in a relaxed atmosphere. How was your visit to OkuShibu? It's a refined and tranquil neighborhood known for its luxury homes. If you're ever in Japan, be sure to check it out. See you in the next town.